Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming the Quarq model and that you have a fresh CR 2032 cell. Once ready, secure the bike and remove the left crank or access cap using the 2.5 hex. This reduces risk of damaging the axle. While loosening, keep a clean rag handy to catch any grease and to protect the spider. Make sure not to lose small seals, place them on a clean surface. If you feel resistance, stop and double-check tool engagement so threads don't strip. Once the cap is off, carefully remove the old CR 2032 and note the polarity. The positive side faces out on most Quarq units. Insert the new cell cleanly, making sure it sits flat and the contacts are clear of debris. Next, inspect the O-ring for nicks. Replace if damaged, otherwise apply a light film of appropriate grease to ensure a proper seal. Then reseat the cap evenly, turn by hand first, and use the 2.5 hex for final snugging. Avoid over-torquing. After reseating the cap and reinstalling the crank, torque bolts to the manufacturer's spec and spin the crank to verify free movement. Next, wake your head unit or app and repair the Quarq. You should see a steady battery indicator and live power numbers. If readings are absent or erratic, remove the cap and recheck battery orientation and contact cleanliness. Corrosion or misalignment is the usual culprit. If problems persist, try a second new CR 2032 or consult support with your
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.